Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reopen your Hard Rock Bait account using an app. Now let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap Login. Enter the email address and password you used for your account. In some case, your account may reopen automatically. It was only temporarily closed. If you see message saying your account is closed or restricted, don't worry. Look for an option that says Contact Support or Help. Tap on Need Help at the bottom of the screen. Next, choose Chat Support or Email. Explain clearly that you want to reopen your HardRockBit account. Include your full name, email address, and any details they ask to verify your identity. If your account was closed due to inactivity, verification issue, or a temporary restriction, support may be able to reopen it after viewing your request. However, if your account was closed because of self-exclusion, keep in mind that this account usually cannot be reopened until the exclusion period ends. Support will let you know if this applies to your account. After submitting your request, wait for a response from Hard Rock Page support. This may take a few hours or up to a couple of days. Once your account is approved and reopened, you will receive a confirmation message or email. You can then log back into the app and start using your account again. And that's it. That's how you can reopen your Hard Rock Bit account using an app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.